Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto E22 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this phone. First we need to open the quick panel on our phone. You can do it by swiping down from the top of the screen twice. So once and twice, like this. Once you open the quick panel, you should see a bunch of icons on it. Now swipe left on the screen to scroll to the next page, and on the next page you should see the battery saver icon. To enable the power saving mode, simply tap on this icon and tap on turn on. The icon will change the color, it will say on it, and also the battery icon on your phone will change the color, which indicates that the power saving mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, swipe left, and tap on the icon again. The icon will change back to gray, it will say off, and also the battery icon will go back to normal, which indicates that the power saving mode is disabled. You can also press and hold on the battery saver icon to open the battery settings, and here we have the battery saver. You can tap on it, and here we can enable or disable the mode. We can set a schedule for it. So for example, if you want to turn on the power saving mode to turn on automatically, you can tap on set a schedule, then based on percentage, and here you can use the slider to set the percentage. And basically, for example, if you set it to 20% and the battery reaches the 20% or below, the power saving mode will turn on. And if it reaches above the 20%, it will turn off automatically. That's how it works. And you can also enable the option to turn off when charged. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the settings. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.